Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good and fine at home, isn't it? See, nowadays the cases are too high, so don't be adamant to go out and play inside the house, okay? And you can do a lot of craft activities, drawing activities, okay? And help your mother also, so that you are getting engaged. Okay, did you attend the previous lesson or did you see the previous video? What did we see in that? We saw how to solve a story problem. Yes or no? It was all about addition. In today's class, we are going to see the properties of addition. What are we going to see? Properties of addition. So we are going to see the properties of addition. Okay, so now let us see the first property. We have three properties of addition. Okay, so we are going to see the first one. So what can you see on the screen? We can see that there are frogs which is there playing in the river, isn't it? Okay, how many frogs can you see inside the boat? There are two frogs, isn't it? How many frogs can you see on the leaf? How many? Three. Totally, how many frogs are there? Five frogs. Very good. So today we are going to see order property in addition. So the number of frogs inside the boat is 2 and the number of frogs on the leaf is 3. അല്ലേ ഇനി 2+3 ഒന്ന് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കൂ 2+3 അപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം ബോട്ടിലുള്ള ഫ്രോഗ്സിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എടുക്കുന്നത് സോ 2+3 വാട്ട് ഈസ് ആൻസർ 5 വാട്ട് ഈസ് അപ്പൊ ഇനി നമ്മൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ആദ്യം നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണു ഓൺ ദ ലീഫ് ഉള്ളതാണ് എടുക്കണേ വി ആർ ടേക്കിംഗ് ദ നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ഫ്രോഗ്സ് വിച്ച് ഇസ് ദേർ ഓൺ ദ ലീഫ് വാട്ട് വിൽ ബി ദ ആൻസർ ഓഫ് 3+2 the answer is 5. So in whichever order we write the number, whether we are writing 2+3 or 3+2, the answer is going to be the same. Okay. So what is the order property in addition? If we are adding any two numbers, ഏതെങ്കിലും രണ്ട് നമ്പർ നമ്മൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഏത് ഓർഡറിൽ എഴുതിയാലും നമുക്ക് ആൻസർ എന്താ കിട്ടുക സെയിം ആണ് കിട്ടുക. So we can say that 2+3 is equal to 3+2. Is that clear? So this is known as order property in addition. So we can say A plus B is equal to B plus A. Okay. So what will be 8 plus 5 equal to 5 plus 8? Is that clear? So it is also known as commutative property in addition. Commutative property of addition. Or we can say order property in addition. Why do we say order property? Because when we change the order of the numbers also, we get the same answer. Okay. Now let us see the second property. What is the second property? Before we discuss, can you see two children playing with balls? Peter and Sam. Now if you see, Peter and Sam has the same number of balls and same colored balls, isn't it? So with this example, we are going to see groups property in addition. Groups property in addition. What happens? First, Peter starts counting his balls. See, Peter is counting the balls. So what does Peter do? Peter is first adding red balls and yellow balls. Peter is adding first red and yellow balls. So how many red balls does Peter have? 2. How many yellow balls does Peter have? 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Then what happens? He is adding the green number of balls to this answer. So already yellow plus red plus yellow is 5. So with that answer, Peter is adding the green number of balls. So number of green balls are 4. So 5 plus 4 is 9. So what did Peter do? Peter added red and yellow first, and with that answer Peter added green number of balls, and the total number of balls with Peter is 9. Now let us see Sam. How does Sam start counting? How is Sam counting? Sam is first counting yellow balls and green balls. See, can you see a group formed here? So, 3 yellow balls and 4 green balls. So, the total becomes 7. And then he adds with this total, with the total of yellow and green balls, Sam is adding red balls. So, 7 plus 2, എത്രയാണ്? 7 plus 2 is 9. So, how did Sam add? Sam added first 3 and 4 and then added 2. So, Sam also has 9 balls. Did you understand? See, in any order we write, if we are having 3 numbers, so if we add any 2 numbers and add the third number, we will get the same answer. We will get the same answer. So, see this 3 plus 4 is equal to 2. Sorry, 3 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3 നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം ചെയ്തു, എന്നിട്ട് അതിന്റെ ആൻസറെ കൊണ്ട് 4 ചെയ്താലും അതേപോലെ 2 plus 4 ആദ്യം ചെയ്തിട്ട് അതിന്റെ ആൻസറിനെ 3 കൊണ്ട് ആഡ് ചെയ്താലും നമുക്ക് ആൻസർ എപ്പോഴും എന്താ കിട്ടുക? 9 ആണ് കിട്ടുക. So when we have any 3 numbers to add, if we are adding any 2 numbers and adding the third number, whichever order we add, the answer is going to be the same. So this is known as the Group's property in addition. Group's property in addition. Now what is this? We are going to see zero property in addition. Zero property in addition nu parna endha? See, can you see there are 5 children? So 5 plus 0 children will always give you 5 children. So whenever we are adding any number with 0, 0 നമ്മൾ ഏത് നമ്പറിന്റെ കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്താലും അതേ നമ്പർ ആയിരിക്കും ആൻസർ. So when 0 is getting added, being added to any number, the answer is the same number. So 5 plus 0 is also 5 and 0 plus 5 is also 5. So whenever we are adding any number with 0, we get the same number as the answer. That is known as zero property in addition. Is that clear to you all? Zero property in addition. Fine. So can we see few examples? Okay. So let us see few examples. Okay. So now see, here comes the first question. 3239 plus 101 is equal to, നോക്കൂ, അപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യണത്? We are changing the order of the numbers which is written. So here 101 was written second as a second number. Here 101 is coming as the first number. So what will come? 101 plus 3239. Which property is this? This is the order property of addition or commutative property in addition. Is that clear? Okay. Now let us see another example. Oh, what can you see here? 5040 plus 0. Anything added to the 0, what will be the answer? The same number. But here see, the order has been changed. So 0 plus what number will come? 5040. But then what will be the answer? If 0 is added to any number, the answer will be the same number. Okay. So now which property was used in this? We have used two properties of addition in this. What is that? First is order property and second one is closure property. Order property എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ order മാറ്റി എഴുതി പിന്നെ നമ്മൾ closure property. What is closure property or zero property? Closure property അല്ല zero property എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ same ആണ്. Any number which is added to zero, the answer will be the same number. It will be the same number. So let us see one more example. Now here we have three numbers to add. Yes or no? So first we in the bracket we are adding these two numbers and with that answer we will add the third number. Now can you see here? Here we have written 454 plus. So what number will come? 386 is here. So here we will have 323. So what is this property known as? This property is known as groups property in addition or associative property of addition. When three numbers are there, we can add any two numbers and with that we can add the third number. In whichever order we add, we will get the answer same or we will get the same answer. It will never change. So the third one, the property is groups property in addition or we can say it is associative property. I hope you all have understood the class. Please see the video again and again and do the exercise questions. Alright, so which all properties we have seen? We have seen order property in addition, we have seen groups property in addition, and we have seen the zero property in addition. Alright, thank you so much children for attending the class. Have a nice time. Okay, take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.